Welcome to Trinity University's Tlearn tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to back up a course. Let's get started. After logging into Tlearn, step 1 is to click on the course you'd like to back up. Step 2 is to click the gear icon in the upper right corner and select Backup. Step 3 is to either click to the final step if you want to back up everything, or to click Next if you'd like to select specifically what you'd like to back up. Lastly, step 4 is to click Continue and view your backup courses. After following these instructions, you should now be able to back up a course.